Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to convert your crypto to fiat such as Naira, USDT or any currencies. Now converting your cryptocurrency to fiat such as Naira, USD or any other cryptocurrency or stablecoin like USDT can be done through a various method depending on the platform that you're using. I'm going to instruct you on how you can do it. First of all, you need to install the crypto app. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use a Binance, and when you are logged in or that you've already created your account, that's going to take you to the home page, something like this. Now from the home page, you just have to go ahead and press the trade icon located right at the bottom, and as you can see, you could go ahead and select whether you want to go with the margin, bot or P2P. So I'm going to go with the spot, and you can see there's this arrow icon in the top left side corner. Right on this page, you could go ahead and locate the currency type. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and convert Bitcoin to Naira. So the short form for Naira is NGN. Due to some issues, I'm unable to show you the results, but then you could just go ahead and do this and you'll be able to find or locate the amount. So now what you have to do is you could just go ahead and select the limit, whether it's a stop limit, whatever. You could go ahead and select the price, amount, and then you need to go ahead and select the asset, network type. Then you'll be able to convert your crypto to fiat such as Naira, USDT or any other currencies. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.